Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the Git, some advanced, some you can say we are checking in this video what about the Git log and how we can check which commits are in branch A that not in branch B. So we are going to check out both these things. So let me open my folder where it is HTML. Last where we have done the project, the test, no, in the test pro, yeah. This is the test pro, I guess, the branch. Let me open with terminal. So let's check git branch. The branch. Currently I'm on the test branch, right? So let me have the command git log to show the commit history of the currently active branch. So commit number this, origin test, date this, create new files. Author this, creating test files and push in the repository, right? So origin test, then it push in origin master. So let's check what the history of that. The test we have the test branch, and if we go and it say two commits. So create new files, creating test files to push in the repository. So this is the two one which we are getting in when we type git log. So this is basically the commit number, that is 3C, and EA, that is 3C. If you hover this and you can get this, see, 3C and EA. So these are the two commits which we have done on the last one, which we, on the current branch, right? So this is the one for the getting the log. Now show the commits on the branch A that are not in branch B. So we have to write this one. So I'm going to write git log. So git log. So current branch is, so here we would say branch A that are not in branch B. So here we are typing the branch name. So here we can check the branch test 2, you can check test 2 and the test branch, right? Test 2 unknown revision or the path of working it's not with this. We separate from the revisions. Unknown revisions or the path in the working tree. Show the commits on the branch A. So in the test branch, test 2, what they have the files. It has the multiple files. Test 2 branch, test 2. I'm writing the test git log. Maybe let's check. Currently we have the main branch, main and the test we can type. Why it's not working? Main, if it is writing like this, two dots with this. Unknown divisional path in network is not a tree. Biggest argument main test. So currently if we put git branch, we have the master. Okay, let's put the master and test. So I think the currently we have the ambiguous argument, that means current branch we don't met with that one. So that's the reason it's not showing. So I think we should, I think I pull all the branches first. So what it they say suggest, create new files on this, creating test files. So what we have written, get commits on branch A that are not in branch B. That means here we have test this branch. That main branch don't have which changes, that changes don't have in the main branches. That is true because main branch is totally empty. Correct. Only they have the readme file. If I go and we can create this is master, this is master branch. So this has the commits and Which commit they don't have, create new files. Last commit and the test files, the last commits don't have, like file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5. In the test 2 we have, no, test, we have more files, that is 6, 7, 8 and 9. That means this create new files and creating test files to push in the repository. These don't have something data we have added that is not showing. So this is how we can check the branch that we are the current branch and the branch that you want to compare, to which commits they don't have. So you can do it via git log master branch of the name and the branch that you are in. Okay, so this is how next this one. And to show the commit history of the currently active branch, you can make it git log, right? Which commit to show like how many histories. If I go, let's, currently it's two, like you can see, if I going to clear it and if I put git log, so currently I have two commits. Suppose I'm creating a new file again. So here I'm going to create a new file again. So here we have the this one. I open terminal, touch test.php. I'm adding over here and I'm adding, one line of code, php, uh, here, php info. Okay, done. Let's push it and check it. Here we have get status, which check which file is not in the list. Git add, okay. Then get the commit, new file addition, git push origin test, and let's new, forget the user models. It, and let me open my token. Maybe just go into the git position. Let's check git log. I think three commits should be there. So first new file addition, second create new files, last one create new file addition. Currently we have the commit, right? This one is the commit. So this is how we can check the all history of the current branch easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.